Example 1. On 15th of January 2012, a real estate company gets listed on the stock exchange. 1 year after its initial public offering, IPO, the stock price of the company is quoting at R12.50. The price of the stock increases by 25% every year. Calculate the price of the stock 5 years after the IPO. Solution. Let the number of years be denoted by n. We know that the first term is 12,5, that is, the price of the stock when n is equal to 1. It is given that the price of stock increases by 25% every year. This means that if the price of the stock was 100 Rand, it increased to 125 Rand after 1 year. Therefore, R equals 125 over 100 equals 1,25. So, the common ratio, constant, that must be applied to obtain the successive terms is 1,25. Substituting the values of A and R for T5, we get equals 30 Rand 52 cents. Thus, the price of the stock has risen to 30 Rand 52 5 years after the IPO.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.